In this lesson, we will focus on quick and simple methods for sharing Carestream CBCT images. Have you ever wished that there was a way to quickly and easily share your Carestream CBCT images with your colleagues, referring doctors, restorative doctors, or patients? Perhaps you found an image that perfectly displays the region of interest in the scan, or you have done virtual measurements or placed a virtual implant and would like to include these images in an email, an article you are writing, or a PowerPoint presentation. This lesson will show you how to do all of these things and more. To begin, from inside CS3D Imaging, you may work from any of the visualization tabs, including orthogonal slicing, curve slicing, custom slicing, or oblique slicing. In this example, I am working within the Curve Slicing tab. As you can see, in this scan, I have used the Virtual Implant Placement tool to place a virtual implant at the edentulous site in the posterior left maxilla, which may be visualized from the axial view, the panoramic view, the 3D rendering, and the transaxial view. Let's imagine that I would like to add some of these images to an email or a presentation. We are essentially going to be using the screenshot or screen capture tool, so my first step would be to bring the image that I would like to share to full screen using the Maximize button. I will do this first with the transaxial view. Once I have maximized the image, the next step is to move over to my Export Tools and click the Camera button, which creates a screenshot of the current workspace. When you click the Camera button, it may seem like nothing has happened, but the action is performed in the background. The software creates a screenshot of whatever you have on the screen, and it adds this screenshot to two places. To access the screenshot you have just taken, you have two options. Under the Export Tools, there's an icon with a picture of a folder. If I hover my mouse on it, it says Open Screenshot Directory. By default, the system stores all of your screenshots in the folder containing all of the DICOM slices which make up your patient's scan. I can click to open this folder, and at the bottom, you will see the screenshot that I have just taken using the Screenshot button. Please note, the screenshot is automatically named with a string of numbers based off of the original image, but I may easily right-click the screenshot, choose Rename, and type any name I like. In this example, I will rename my screenshot Smith, J Implant Plan. Please also note, the system saves your screenshots by default in TIFF format. Short for Tagged Image File Format, TIFF is a universal image format that can be opened by any third party. If you choose to change the default screenshot image format, this may be done under CS3D Imaging Preferences. From this point, I may use and share this image as I would any other image. I can right-click on it, choose Copy, then go to an email, right-click, and choose Paste to paste the image directly into my email. Or I could open a PowerPoint presentation, go to the appropriate slide, right-click, and paste the image in there. I could also go to my desktop or any other folder, right-click, and choose to paste the image there for future use. When you do a screenshot in CS3D Imaging, it also adds your screenshot to another place, the Image Gallery. This is so that your screenshots may also be used in more advanced reporting methods, but you may work with your screenshots directly from the gallery as well. In this example, let's imagine that I would also like to have a screenshot of my virtual implant from the axial view to show that I have adequate buccal lingual width. I simply maximize the axial view, then again click the Camera or Screenshot button. This time, we will access our screenshots through the gallery. To open the gallery, just go to the bottom left of the screen, and next to the word Gallery, click the arrow to toggle open the gallery. Here, I will also see all of the screenshots I have previously taken. From here, to move my images directly from the gallery, I can restore down my imaging program to make it smaller. Then I can actually left click and drag an image directly from my gallery into an email, into a PowerPoint presentation, or right to my desktop or another folder. Once I've done this, I can still right-click on the image and choose to rename. There is one final variation on this method with an important distinction. You may have noticed that with my previous screenshots, they were composite images of the entire workspace on my screen, including the thumbnail reference images to the right of the single image. If you would prefer not to include the reference thumbnails, there is another option. In the upper left-hand corner of any single image, you will notice an icon which is a picture showing either a camera or an old-style floppy disk. This icon has a drop-down arrow next to it. If I click the drop-down arrow, I have the choice of clicking the diskette to save a DICOM snapshot of the view, which is used in more advanced reporting, or I can click the camera icon here, and if I then go to my gallery, you will see that I have created a snapshot of the single image by itself without the thumbnails to the right. This has been an overview of quick and simple image sharing with CS3D Imaging. If you have questions about this or any of our products, please contact us at 800-944-6365 or visit us on the web at carestreamdental.com. Please also take note of the system requirements for best software performance.